Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create your own YouTube channel on your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to create your own YouTube channel from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in youtube.com and hit enter. And after landing on the homepage of YouTube, before we proceed to the further process, you need to log into your YouTube account with your Gmail account first. As I have already logged into my Gmail account on my YouTube, you can see this is my Gmail account. It is integrated to YouTube as well. Now to create your channel account from over here, click on your profile picture icon on the top right corner of the screen, which is this interface itself, and on the first there is your channel option available over here. Click on your channel. By clicking on this, you will already have created your channel. You can see there are no subscribers, there are no videos, there are no playlists. These are the like playlists by myself. Now when we click on home, there are no such things, and you can see this is your channel. Now from over here, you'll be required to customize your channel. You can see the customize channel on the top right corner of the screen. Click on customize channel, and you'll be proceeded or taken forward to the creator studio or the YouTube studio. Let's click on continue, and on the studio of the YouTube itself, you can see all of these informations you have. You'll be first required to customize your channel with layouts, with your branding, and with your basic info. You'll be also able to change your picture over here. Click on change or remove your picture or change it over here, and after that you can see the settings option available over here, on which you can see your channel preferences, and you can choose and customize your all of your details over here with your upload defaults, permissions, community and agreements. When you optimize all of these options, your channel will be ready on YouTube. And guys, this is how you create your channel on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.